YouTube, back for another video. Kicked out a post a couple of weeks back stating that I bought some BUSFEST tickets. Very excited about that, so we're going to attend BUSFEST on the way to an holiday in Cornwall, which is 2 weeks away I think. So we've got a lot of prep to do on the van. First order of business today is to get it washed. There's another reason why we need to get it washed today as well. The van is going for the alloy wheels refurbing. Now, I've had a bit of a nightmare with the wheels. The lacquer and sort of the top coat failed. I would say probably getting on for 12 months ago. Went to see about getting them refurbed, talked to a couple of different people, and they said, yeah, it's going to cost the polished gloss black and mixed gloss black and polished. It's going to cost like nearly the price of a set of new alloys to basically get them back to where they need to be. So plan is we're just going to have them refurbed in one solid colour. I'm not going to reveal that in this video, but this Monday today, it's off the powder coaters on Friday, so we want the van nice and clean, ready for that. And then second to that is we're going to fit a new set of sidebars. Picked these up from Leighton Vans 2-3 weeks ago. It's a set of gloss black ones. It's the old style round T5 ones like I've got now, but in a gloss black finish rather than a matte black finish, because I've always wanted gloss black to match my front grills and stuff. So we'll whip them on. It's not going to be a sidebar fitting video. I'm literally just going, these will just whip straight on and off the existing mounting points. So I think it's just an M14 or 14mm socket. Whip them straight on and off, but I'll just show you how I do it. So first order of business, cleaning. Right, she's clean. Sidebar's still on. I realised halfway through that I've made a bit of a balls up. I'm now going to get those sidebars off with ground wet. Probably should have taken them off before we started, but you live and learn. One other job we're going to do today as well is we're just going to de-wrap the front grille trim. I've had this all sorts of colours. It is currently gloss candy apple red, I think that colour is. So I'm going to de-wrap. It's just a gloss black one underneath, ready for a new colour, because this isn't really going to go with the new wheel colour. So I've got a new colour going on probably in the next video. I'm not going to redo it today, but yeah, so it's just about to rain, which is, yeah, so, and then we'll crack on with bars.
2 days later.
It's a couple of days later. I didn't actually end up fitting the side bars straight after the wash on account of socket set issue. I sort of mentioned earlier in the video I thought it was a 14mm socket, weren't 18mm socket. Now my socket set, my 3/8 socket set, because I've got gimbal problems again. Are we back? Yeah, we're back. Yeah. Because all the way up to 15mm, and then only gives me a 17mm and a 19mm. So guess what we needed to take it? They actually take the bars off. We need an 18mm. And then couple with the new bars, the fitting kit were a 16mm. So yeah, slight problem is the only two sockets I ain't got are the only two sockets that I needed. So I bravely went to my dad's and got a socket set. But as you can see, the bars are now on. Pretty straightforward once I've got the actual correct sockets that I needed. Literally just 4 bolts off, one at each end on each bar, 4 bolts straight back on. Went straight, exactly the same kit as I had before, so dead easy. So that's just done. So I'm going to leave this video here for now, and I'm probably going to kick another one out next week once we've had the wheels done, so you can see the new wheel colour. We'll be doing some wrapping in the next one. We'll be re-wrapping the front grille strip as well in a new colour. So if you want to see that, subscribe. You can get notifications when I post videos. Bell button, I think. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And then probably going to do some filming, actually filming at BUSFEST. Probably just try and film some nice vans, of which there will be plenty. Probably not so much talking, because I still feel like a bit of a arse. Even stood here, sort of nervous walking past, thinking what you're actually doing. But yeah, stay tuned. Another video on next week, and then be a couple more videos after that. Got some stuff coming in end of September, October as well, in terms of more things that we're doing to the van. So yeah, stay tuned, subscribe. Cheers.